7 Surprising Coca-Cola Facts. 1. Coca-Cola once contained cocaine. When Coca-Cola was first created in the late 19th century, it did indeed contain small amounts of cocaine derived from coca leaves. However, the company removed cocaine from its recipe in 1903, replacing it with caffeine as a stimulant. 2. The Coca-Cola Santa Claus. The image of Santa Claus that we commonly associate with Christmas today was popularized by Coca-Cola. In the 1930s, the company commissioned artist Haddon Sundblom to create illustrations of Santa Claus for their holiday advertisements, and his portrayal of a jolly, red-suited Santa became iconic. 3. Coca-Cola owns a variety of beverage brands. While Coca-Cola is most well known for its flagship Coca-Cola soda, the company actually owns numerous other popular beverage brands. Some of these include Sprite, Fanta, Dasani, Maid, Powerade, and SmartWater. 4. The New Coke fiasco. In 1985, Coca-Cola made a highly controversial decision to introduce a new formula known as New Coke in an attempt to compete with its rival, Pepsi. However, the public reaction was overwhelmingly negative, and after just a few months, the company reintroduced the original formula as Coca-Cola Classic. 5. Coca-Cola's secret recipe. The exact formula for Coca-Cola is one of the most closely guarded secrets in the business world. The recipe is said to be kept in a vault at the World of Coca-Cola Museum in Atlanta, Georgia. Only a few select employees have access to the complete formula, and they are never allowed to travel together. 6. Coca-Cola's global reach. Coca-Cola is truly a global brand. It is sold in over 200 countries worldwide and is recognized by more than 94% of the world's population. In fact, Coca-Cola is often referred to as the most widely recognized brand in the world. 7. Coca-Cola's involvement in sports. Coca-Cola has a long history of sponsoring sporting events and athletes. The company has been a major sponsor of the Olympic Games since 1928 and has supported various other sporting events, including the FIFA World Cup. Additionally, Coca-Cola has endorsed many athletes over the years, including basketball player Michael Jordan and soccer player David Beckham.